Forged in fire, it gleams in the night. In hands of the mighty, it turns wrong to right. Whispering secrets of battles once fought, a dance in the chaos where legends are caught. As the memory of kingdoms that have waned, it echoes through time, their power unchained. Swift in the hand of the fearless and bold, in truth lies the steel that no heart can withhold. Swords on the rise, carving stories untold. Masters of fate with a grit that won't fold. The clang is a rhythm, the sparks are their song. In truth lies the steel that no heart can withhold. Swords on the rock, through the dim lit sky, cutting the